What is the recommended cooking time for smoking ribs at 225 degrees Fahrenheit?
Hello, and welcome to our cooking guide. Today, we're diving deep into a classic favorite, smoking ribs. We'll focus specifically on how long you should smoke your ribs at 225 degrees Fahrenheit to get that perfect, fall-off-the-bone tenderness and smoky flavor we all love.
What's the ideal temperature?
When smoking ribs, the ideal temperature is around 225 degrees Fahrenheit. This low and slow cooking method ensures that the meat is thoroughly cooked and tender without drying it out. Remember, maintaining a consistent temperature is crucial.
How long should ribs be smoked at 225 degrees?
Now for the million-dollar question. How long should you smoke ribs at this temperature? Generally speaking, ribs should be smoked for approximately 5 to 6 hours at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the actual cooking time may vary depending on the size and type of ribs you're smoking. Here's a breakdown. Baby back ribs, 4 to 5 hours. Spare ribs, 5 to 6 hours. St. Louis cut ribs, 6 to 7 hours. Remember, the key to smoking ribs is to cook by temperature, not just by time. You're aiming for an internal meat temperature of around 190 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit.
How to know when your ribs are done?
How do you know when your ribs are ready? There are a few indicators. First, the meat will pull away from the bone, revealing about 1/4 inch of the bone on the ends. Second, the ribs will become tender enough to tear apart with your fingers. Lastly, as mentioned earlier, you can use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. We hope this guide has shed some light on the process of smoking ribs and specifically, how long to smoke them at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, the key is to take it slow and steady, and keep an eye on your ribs towards the end of cooking. We hope you enjoy your perfectly smoked ribs. Happy cooking!